Have you ever wondered why your computer seems to slow down over time? Or why it sometimes acts up for no apparent reason? The answer might be simpler than you think. Restarting your computer regularly can make a world of difference. In this video, we'll explore the compelling reasons why you should make restarting your computer a regular habit. From boosting performance and applying crucial security updates to troubleshooting common issues, we'll cover it all. By the end, you'll understand why a simple restart can be your computer's best friend. One of the most immediate benefits of restarting your computer is improved performance. Over time, your system can become bogged down with running processes, background applications, and temporary files. These can consume valuable memory and processing power, leading to sluggish performance. When you restart your computer, it clears out the RAM and stops all running processes. This means that when your system boots back up, it starts fresh, allowing it to run more efficiently. For instance, if you've been multitasking with multiple applications and browser tabs open, a restart can free up memory and speed up your computer significantly. According to experts, performing a restart at least once a week can help maintain optimal performance levels. So, if you notice your computer slowing down, a quick restart might just be the solution you need. Another critical reason to restart your computer regularly is to ensure that security updates are applied. Operating systems and software developers frequently release updates to patch vulnerabilities and enhance security features. However, many of these updates require a restart to take effect. Failing to restart your computer can leave it exposed to security threats. Cybercriminals often exploit unpatched vulnerabilities, making your system an easy target. By restarting your computer, you not only apply these updates but also ensure that your system is running the latest security protocols. For example, Windows updates often include important security patches that protect against malware and other threats. By making it a habit to restart your computer regularly, you can significantly reduce the risk of falling victim to cyber attacks. Have you ever encountered a problem with your computer, like a program freezing or the system becoming unresponsive? Before diving into complex troubleshooting steps, a simple restart can often resolve these issues. When you restart your computer, it resets the state of the operating system and clears temporary files that may be causing conflicts. This can fix minor glitches and restore functionality without the need for extensive troubleshooting. For instance, if your internet connection is acting up, restarting your computer can refresh the network settings and resolve connectivity issues. Similarly, if a specific application is crashing, a restart can clear any temporary data that might be causing the problem. In many cases, users find that a restart is the quickest and easiest way to resolve common issues, saving time and frustration. Regularly restarting your computer can also contribute to energy efficiency and prolong the lifespan of your device. When a computer runs for extended periods without a restart, it can overheat, leading to hardware damage over time. By restarting your computer, you give it a chance to cool down and reset, which can help prevent overheating. Additionally, a fresh start can reduce energy consumption, as background processes that consume power are halted. Moreover, keeping your computer in good working condition through regular restarts can extend its overall lifespan. Just like any machine, computers benefit from maintenance, and a simple restart is one of the easiest ways to keep everything running smoothly. In summary, restarting your computer regularly is a simple yet effective practice that can lead to improved performance, enhanced security, and easier troubleshooting. It's a small action that can have significant benefits, from freeing up memory to applying crucial updates. So whether you're a casual user or a tech enthusiast, make it a habit to restart your computer at least once a week. Your device will thank you for it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Share your own experiences with restarting your computer in the comments below. How often do you restart? Let's keep the conversation going.